Hey guys, we're back. It's June and we're going to do the monthly update. So these are May numbers, remember that. And we're still seeing the same pattern that we've been seeing most of the year where supply is down and demand is up. And we're going to show the numbers right now. Supply down 37.1%. And this is as of June 10th compared to last year on June 10th. So we went from 4,649 listings on the market to 2,925. Solds up 19.6% from 5,407. This is through May 31st, 2021, relative to January 1 to May 31st, 2022. Excuse me, 2020. So up 19.6%. So we still have demand going up, supply down. This continues to put upward pressure on prices. My average right now this year is to sell a house 106% at 106% of asking price. We've sold them as high as 130% above asking price. We've sold some at 100% of asking price, nothing below asking price, and nothing's been on the market for me longer, and us as a company, for longer than 12 days. Most of them are sold in 2 to 4 days. Median price up 12.4%. For you buyers out there that think that this is a tough time to get in the market, you're right, and it's going to be even worse next year because everyone expects that we're going to continue to have double-digit price increases over the next year. Like this year is going to be over 10%. Next year is going to be over 10%. So the house you're looking at today, that's $300,000, might be $330,000 next year. $400,000 might be $440,000 next year. $500,000 might be $550,000 next year. So you really want to get in the game and do what it takes to win a house now and take advantage of the interest rate because that same house is going to be much more expensive next year. And we'd rather for that equity to accrue to you than to someone else. Average price up 18%. There's a big difference between average and median, but that is a huge jump. Remember, average appreciation historically is about 3 to 5%. So we've got last 12 months up 18%. That is just crazy. And for you guys thinking about this, is there going to be a housing crash coming? No one expects that. Over 70% of Americans have more than 50% equity in their homes. 38% of Americans have their homes completely paid off. So there is a ton of equity in the system so that even if the market slows down, people can sell their houses and get out of them without having to lose money. So that there's just no crash that anyone's forecasting. Plus, the millennials, which are the largest demographic cohort in U.S. history, are really just coming into buying power right now, and they are the ones driving this demand. Last thing, average days on market. Last year through May 31st, it was 60 days to sell a house. And this is from time it goes listed to time it goes under contract. This year so far, it's 40 days. So the market is hot. It's a great time to buy with interest rates and forecasted future appreciation. Also a great time to sell because, you know, some of you guys have seen my video about just the crazy, stupid money that's coming into the market right now. The bidding price is way up. So it's a great time to get your house sold. Call me if you have any questions, 864-354-9515. I'll see you next month.